how to use TunnelBear VPN on Android. So if you want to use the TunnelBear, first you need to install the application. So to install it on your Android device, you need to open up your Play Store. Once you open up your Play Store, now you need to go for the search, which will be on the bottom right of your screen. Tap on search, and here you can search for your apps and games. So simply search for TunnelBear VPN. Once you've searched here, you will have your TunnelBear VPN. So if you want to download and install this, or if you want to use this, then simply tap on install and it will start the install process. And once you've installed, you will have this kind of interface where you can keep your location and browsing private. So you can simply choose on any location that you would like to connect. So for example, if you choose the Netherlands option, then you will be connected to the Netherlands network. You can browse the internet from another location. You can use your TunnelBear on your phone, laptop, or computer. So that's how you can use your TunnelBear VPN on Android. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.